Most traders spend years trying to understand price, but everything you need is inside a single candle. One candle, one story, one rule. This is how you stop reacting and start reading price like a machine. Let me break it down for you. The candle has three parts: the wick high, the wick low, and then the body in between. When price respects a wick and turns before breaking it, it's rejecting that area, that structure. When price violates a wick and closes through it, it's confirming continuation or a reversal. That's intent. Everything we do at Candle Theory is built around this. We trade based on the reaction to the wick. Never hope that price reacts from the inside of the body. If we look at this candle, what can we see? We have a high of a candle. We also have a low of the same candle. If we had to go and draw out the premium and discount of the same candle to get into a trade, how would we draw that? You wouldn't be drawing it from the fair value gap in the middle, because that is not premium or discount. Premium and discount from this candle would be the wicks. This is where you're going to get price to confirm to go higher or react to go lower. Also to confirm for continuation or rejection to go to the other side. The entire theory of MCR is based on one candle having a premium and discount from wicks. We're currently looking at the 15-minute time frame. We can see price going bullish from here, but let's try and mark out how we would have analyzed the market to go bullish from here. So we have fair value gaps, right? Did the fair value gap hold? No. How about an inverted fair value gap? Did that hold? No. How about we look for more fair value gaps, right? There isn't. Price did not create anymore. So how did we go up? How did price react if there's no fair value gap? What? Okay. Let's try and figure this out. Let's make one simple change, and that is just drawing the wicks at the extremes. Did price go lower than this wick? How about this one? Did we close lower than this wick? How about this wick? Did we close lower than this wick? No. How about every single time we fail to close below one of these wicks, but we react from it? It shows an intention to go bullish. So on that lower time frame, you can catch scalps all the way. I'm going to show you guys another trick that's going to help you with your entries after you found a reaction from a bottom of a wick gap. You're always going to be trading to that same candle's extreme. What I mean by that is, let's look at price action right here. We have that wick up at the top, and then we have this wick up at the bottom, right? Where did this candle open and close? It opened at the top of the wick gap, found support and fell. It then stopped and found support at the bottom wick gap. So this next candle, it closed below this candle, right? It then technically found support from that wick gap. What's the extreme of this candle? Right here. That's your take profit. So if we find support from this wick, it will travel and deliver to the other side of that 15-minute. Because this candle closed below this candle, the next TP would be here. But because it closed below that candle, where did it find support? Right here. Because this candle then failed to close below this one, it has a wick up, right? What is the TP? The same candle's high. Just the opposite side. Price will always travel from extreme to extreme, never from the middle. I hope in this video everybody realized that wicks aren't just noise. Wicks are the market's fingerprints. They mark where liquidity was touched, where price pushed and failed, where smart money either pulled away or pushed through. If you know how to read a wick, you can see who's in control even before the next candle forms. Everyone is still drawing trend lines and bodies and waiting for lagging confirmations, and we don't. We read. The one candle rule is the heart of candle theory, and once you see what wicks really mean, you'll never unsee it. Please join us. We do daily live streams. It's on Discord, it's for free, and if you guys have any questions, just please go make a ticket there. I'll leave our link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys pretty soon.